Breaking news, ChatGPT just launched the AI image generation API. I'm going to show you how to build an entire business with it. No programming experience required at all. You've probably seen the AI image generations with the Ghibli style images below, but now I'm going to show you how to build an unbelievable startup. Check out this tweet from Greg Eisenberg, incredible account. ChatGPT just dropped the image generation API. 8 free ideas someone will steal from me using new API. I found an idea I like a lot. A marketplace for AI-generated app icons and logos. I'm going to steal this idea and I'm going to show you how to build it right now. If you follow along with this video, you'll be able to steal this idea as well and build your own AI startup. If you follow along with me, you'll learn a ton, your mind will be blown, and you'll have your own business in 10 minutes. Let's get into it. Let's get into Windsurf. So Windsurf is the AI app builder that's going to help us build this app out. It's free. Download it below, link down below. I'm going to show you how to build cool apps with it. So here's the prompt I'm going to use to build the app. Feel free to steal it. I put this down below as well. You can paste this into Windsurf and you have the app with me. I want to build an AI image app that uses the newest ChatGPT image API model called GPT Image 1. This will be a logo creator software. It should connect to the API and allow the user to enter in the description of their business, and it generates a logo for the user. So basically what it's telling the AI is, I want to build an app. It's a logo generating business. I want to use the newest API. The user could enter in the description of business and it generates the logo. That's how easy it is to build an app nowadays with AI. That's all you need is this prompt and Windsurf. Let's hit enter. One key thing here as well is I included the link to the documentation. I'll put the link down below so you can steal that as well. This will allow the AI to actually read how the API works so it can build the app. So we sent the prompt and AI is going to get to work now. I'll help you build the logo creator app using OpenAI's GPT Image 1 model. Let's check the documentation. So it's reading the documentation. It's going on the internet. It's reading every article on the documentation website. So it learns how to use the API. Pretty incredible. Now let's look at how to generate an image using the model. So it's teaching itself how to actually use the API. It just teaches itself new skills. It's like in the Matrix when Neo puts the plug in the back of his head. So as you do this along with me, make sure to just accept the commands as it goes through. It's going to create new folders. It's going to write the code. If you get to a point where it says, would you like your code inside a source or directly, just make sure to click on open in terminal and then open it up here and you can hit enter to continue and you hit enter through the options. I'm going to hit accept on installing the OpenAI SDK. One thing you'll have to do as it goes through here is actually create the environment variable file. I'll show you, very easy to do. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Right click, new file, .env.local, enter. This is right in the root of your project. Then you just go in, copy the command it gives you here, and paste it in. You're good to go. I'll show you how to get the API key in a second. The AI is going to work, write all the files for us, write all the code for us. We don't have to do a thing here. We can just sip our water and watch our AI employee work for us. And as this is going, if you learned anything so far, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and leave in the replies anything you want to see me build next. All I do is build really cool AI videos. Okay, it looks like it is done writing code here. One important thing we need to do is enter in the API key for ChatGPT's new image generation model. So follow along with me. I'll show you how to do it right now. If you go to platform.openai.com, you should be able to sign up for their developer account so you can generate API keys. Once you do that, you're going to need to verify. So for their special high-value API keys, you need to have a verified organization. It's very simple. All you do is upload a picture of your driver's license. So if you go to settings in the top right, enter in your organization name, just name it personal. Then you go to verifications here. You click a button, it asks you to upload a picture ID. You're good to go. Once you do that, go to API keys over here on the left. Then you can click generate a new API key, and it gives you an API key that you can copy and paste. Once you do that, go into that .env.local file I told you about earlier, paste that in. You should have instructions on the right-hand side as you're doing this that shows you how to do it. It'll say add this to your .env.local file. You put that in there, you put the API key on the right-hand side, the equal sign, you're good to go. Okay, looks like the AI stopped working. Looks like it is all done with the code. Let's test this out. We are one prompt in. All we've done is tell what we want. We put in an API key. Let's see what Windsurf did here with one prompt in the OpenAI Image Gen API. Let's pull this open. Business logo generator. Create professional business logos with AI. Business description. Describe your business, values, and what it does. Okay, let's say we are We are a coffee shop that serves the world's best espresso. We also allow piglets to walk around the shop. I always see videos from Japan of like pig cafes where you can order coffee and there's like little baby pigs walking around. I always wanted to go. So let's generate an image for the pig cafe. Industry, coffee, color palette. I don't know, pigs are pink. Let's go pink and gold. I love all these options. A game. I didn't ask for any of these options. I just did this out of the box. I just thought of all these cool things. By the way, I'm using Claude Sonnet 3.7, so it seems like it's doing pretty well. Let's generate this logo. Let's see what it does here. Takes a second to load. If anyone has used the image generation on OpenAI's site before, they know it's first of all absolutely incredible, but second, a little slow, but you get good results, so it's worth the wait. It's worth the wait. Okay, here we go. Your generated logo. I'm going to be honest. That's pretty fire. That's pretty amazing. That's a really good logo. I really like that logo. It's clean, simple design. I like the colors. It really did follow everything we did here. That's pretty amazing. Let's try one more. Let's see what one more looks like here. I miss the old GameStop days, so let's do an old video game shop. We are a retro video game shop that allows you to buy old video game systems like Super Nintendo. Let's see what we get here. All right, let's do for this one, we'll do red and black because that's GameStop's old logos. Industry, video games. I love the way, what was the logo style options? Minimalist, vintage, retro. Let's do vintage, retro. It came up with all these options. I didn't even ask for the options. It came up with all this. It's pretty genius, if you ask me. I mean, it's more a reflection of Claude Sonnet and Windsurf, I guess. But, I mean, the logos are amazing. All right, let's see what we got here. I mean, that looks amazing. It took the old Super Nintendo, put it in a circle. That's a good-looking logo. I like that. I mean, now think about this, right? We want to turn this into a business. All we need to do now is create a database for this, as well as paywall it, right? We'd also probably want to build a landing page. So let's do this. Let's build the landing page for it. All we need to do that is we come back here in Windsurf, and all you need to say is, I want to turn this. So just for your information, the way this works, our app is taking the description here. It's sending it as a prompt to ChatGPT's image gen API. It's sending it to them. The API gets that information. For those who don't know, API is just a way for software to communicate with each other, right? And then the image API sends us back an image that we're putting right here. Very, very simple. It takes all the little options with it, sends it with the prompt. We can even see the prompt if we go into our route, which is our API handler, which says create a professional business logo for the following business, then takes our description. Here's the colors. Use the appropriate colors for the industry. This is the industry, and the logo should be simple, memorable, and scalable. It should work well on both light and dark backgrounds. It gives us really awesome description to ChatGPT on how to build the logo. It then sends us back. It's using the GPT Image 1, which is the brand new image API from ChatGPT that everyone's using for Ghibli and things like that. It's pretty amazing. Now let's say we wanted to monetize this and turn this into a business. We'd probably need to do a couple of things, right? We need to build the landing page, we need a paywall with Stripe, and we need to have a back end of Supabase. So let's do this. Let's quickly build the landing page for the app. Very simple. I'm doing one prompt here. I want to build a landing page for the app so I can monetize it. Can you make a landing page that advertises the app for us? I hit enter. Now the AI is going to go and build the landing page for us so we can monetize this app. The landing page is where the users will go when they come to our website, and then it'll have a pay for the app button right on the website. So we're just going to hit accept on creating the folder for the landing page, and it's going to go and build the landing page for us. Okay, so it's going to create a landing page for the business logo generator app. It's going to create a landing page with pricing tiers, features, and a compelling call to action so we can monetize the business. This is just our second prompt. We're almost basically done with this. That's pretty amazing. So it's creating all the files for the landing page. Looks like it's building out hundreds of lines of code for the landing page. It's making a navigation component, a pricing section, a feature section, all for this app it built itself. So it's building it and marketing itself, which is pretty amazing. All right, looks like it built the landing page. Let's see if we can get this working here. Let's reset the server. So npm run dev runs your app. Let's do that. And I go to the landing page, I go to the page, it immediately has it up. Professional logo design in seconds. Create stunning, unique logos of your business with the power of AI. No design skills needed. Features, AI power design, multiple style options, instant results, simple, transparent pricing. Wow, I came up with the pricing structure for us all in one go. Links for Twitter and GitHub. I mean, it built the entire landing page for us in one prompt. It built the app, and then in another prompt, it built the landing page. Right? So if you wanted to take this to the next step and start monetizing it with Stripe, if you want to start saving data to a backend with Supabase, you can do that. You just say, hey, integrate with Stripe, integrate with Supabase. Then from there, you have a fully monetizable app that you can start selling. I have an app of my own. I sell it on social media. I have a big following on X, so I go on X and I talk about my app all the time. You can do the same thing here. You can build an app like this, start going on X, start going on social media, and start selling an app you make very easy and make a lot of money really quick. When I launched my app, I put a demo video on X, which you can see here, where I said, hey, I'd like to introduce you to my app, and I have a video of me using it. It generated over $100,000, I think, in the first 2 hours, and then I was at $300,000 of annual recurring revenue, I think, in the first week. So it's possible to do. You can build an app by yourself. Go to social media, create content around it, whether you want to do it on X or YouTube or wherever. Just do the steps I did, build the app, build the landing page, integrate it with payment processor like Stripe, and then talk about it on social media, and you can sell an app. It's pretty incredible. If you learned anything at all in this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to me. All I do is make really, really cool videos showing you how to build stuff with AI, and then leave a reply down below letting me know what you want to see me build next. Really enjoyed showing you guys this. See you in the next video.